Hey, Shezaan.
Don't smile. Daddy, walk, please. Good job. Good job. Now, can you reach it? Show me how high you can reach. Watch. Way up high and brush. Way up high and brush. Two more. Way up high. One. All right. We need our horse. Okay, now remember to use your words. Say walk. Nice. High five for saying that. Here you go. Take your horse down to the block. Say, come on, bud, let's go. Say, ho, bud. Say, ho. Nice. Give me five. Good job. They're breeders.
That's what I was thinking about doing.
School's almost over. My other daughter up in Washington, and then my son who's living with us right now. Who's doing it? Standing up.
Yeah.
Oh, you're good now? Okay. Thank you. I haven't seen you for a while.
Come say hi to you.
Oh, hey, Sean, how's it going? Well,
Hey, Sean, how are you?
come here, buddy.
I'm not seeing.
Let me see, I'll help you.
Sam, you need help?
Okay. Oh, remember you gotta go back to the tech room. Where's Cassie?
You don't want to be seen with her anymore?
Yeah.
Are they going to buy me like this?
Go.
This is the baby's day, not yours.
All right. Good job.
Oh, you're already dug in, huh?
Let me help.
You're going home and sitting there for 10 years.
What you been doing?
It's a death.
Reading.
He doesn't accept the motor. Oh. I've been trying to get him to sell it.
This way. Follow me. This way.
You know, it's different.
You got it. Come on. Come on.
Life happens.
Oh, I know.
Right there with you.
Nice. Good job.
get to a point where
Soda. Thank you. So remember, you want to be very independent.
Can't win for losing on that.
So, are you not coming?
Good job.
Let's understand.
Now, let's hold the pig in like this. Let him finish chewing.
Well, that's a good reason, huh, Alan?
Yes, it is.
So when are you, gonna deliver?
Okay. What? Good job. Okay, come film. Thank you. Come give a pet. Say thank you.